Hi, this is Kaushik Ranchod from the Ranchod Law Group. Welcome to this week's Q&A. Today we're going to talk about J1 hardship waivers and specifically what could help you have a more successful exceptional hardship waiver application. So, people want to know, well, what makes the difference between an awesome application and one application that may be denied? Well, one thing that could help your application is having a theme that ties all of your hardships together. A theme can provide a basis for your waiver application. It also structures your application as a whole. So when your attorney prepares a legal brief, not only should you talk about whatever exceptional hardship factors that there are, such as health, education, financial hardship. For instance, if your U.S. citizen spouse or child or permanent resident spouse or child had to go to the home country, that their career would be disrupted, that you might have to sell your home, or education disruption, such as where your career may be disrupted, your U.S. citizen spouse's career may be disrupted, or if your spouse or child as a U.S. citizen has health considerations that could not be treated in the home country, then all of those factors need to be addressed. But what differentiates an application that may be approved versus one that may be denied is whether or not all of those factors are tied together, and rather than a disjointed application where the hardship is not accurately communicated. For instance, if you have a form of health hardship, this one factor, if that factor itself has the highest degree of exceptional hardship, that one factor should be tied into all of the other factors to make the waiver cohesive. So that major health issue could also, for instance, cause financial difficulty because of high medical bills, home care, or expensive healthcare procedures. And this argument can go on and on to show how the health issue causes financial hardship through a domino effect. Now, it's also important in the declarations to explain the hardship as well and tie all of these factors together. And it's also important to show how there would be hardship if you were separated, if your U.S. citizen spouse or child or permanent resident spouse or child had to go to their home country, or vice versa, if they didn't have to go to the home country, but if you had to go and you were separated from them. So you need to talk about hardship where the whole family had to leave, or also if part of the family stayed in the United States and part of the family went to the home country as well. You need to discuss that form of exceptional hardship as well. So I want to thank you for taking the time to listen to this video. By watching this video and listening to this video, you're bettering yourself. By bettering yourself, you are bettering your family. And by bettering your family, you're bettering our country. Thank you, and until next week. Click on the pictures above that best describes the service you're seeking. I'm Attorney Kaushik Ranchod with the Ranchod Law Group. Whether you're trying to determine the type of visa or green card you qualify for, or just need tips on what to look for in hiring an immigration attorney, we have the answers. My team of professionals is comprised of many immigrants, and we understand how complex the process can be on your own. Give my office a call today for a free consumer's guide on hiring an immigration attorney.